just a small family business, and the family won't like this. They'll bust your kneecaps, ooh, whoop-dee-doo, whoop-dee-doo. They'll bust your kneecaps, that's what they're going to do. Johnny, there's still time. Together I know we'd go so far. I'll tell Uncle Rocco to call off the guys with the crowbar.